Hi guys, here is another trading strategy that I'm going to share with you today. This trading strategy, guys, is very simple trading strategy. If you are a beginner or you are a struggling forex trader, this video is yours. So kindly subscribe and follow this page as well. Check for more content on my YouTube. Check in the video description, and guys, follow and learn more about trading. So this trading strategy, guys, which I'm going to share with you today, is a very simple and beginner friendly trading strategy. And if you are going to apply everything that is going to be mentioned in this video, trust me, you are going to do well in your trading journey. So what is this strategy all about, guys? So let me go to the chart and show you. And guys, I'm running a bootcamp, trading bootcamp. In case you're interested, you can join the bootcamp. I'm not charging, it's free. You can join the WhatsApp community. So you can just check in the video description. You are going to find the details. So guys, let's go and see this trading strategy. So as you can see, guys, so this trading strategy, the first thing just requires you two steps, just to do two steps, then you are done in your finding your entries. So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to analyze the market on the higher time frame to find the overall direction of the market. So now, if you have discovered that the market is an uptrend, if you want to learn how to find how to discover the direction of the market, check on my YouTube channel. You are going to find the video that I was explaining on how to find whether the market is trending or the market is consolidating, or it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So check in the video and learn how to identify the direction of the market. So we are going to assume that the market is an uptrend, all right? So in a case where the market is an uptrend, guys, what you're going to look for is only buy entries, all right? Don't trade against a trend. So the trend, according to this strategy, a trend is our friend. So now, how do you find your entries? So after finding that the market is an uptrend on the higher time frame, so the next thing that you're going to do, you're going to switch to M15 time frame, all right? And you're going to look for, are you seeing this green line? And are you seeing these blue lines? So these blue lines are our blankets, all right, are our blankets. Then now you are going to look for this green line, which is going to be your signal line. So each time this line cross the blue line to the inside and crosses the red line, all right, each time when it crosses the red line, that's when you are going to find your buy entry. You enter your buy and set your stop loss on the previous low, all right. So as you can see right there, and you are going to find your entry right there, all right. This is where the market crossed this line. Are you seeing? So it crossed right there, then that's our entry. So guys, only entries, do not sell. Let's go again. Let's find another signal. As you can see, here is another signal. Look at that. So it crossed right there, and I'm going to enter my buy right there and my stop loss just in the previous low. And look at that, I ride with the market. So guys, this trading strategy is very simple. I think it's not complicated like any other trading strategy. Look at that. Every time it crosses there, then your entry right there. When the green line crosses the red line, I'll enter my trade and I'll ride with the market. And now in a case where it's a sell, so you're going only to look for sells. So each time when this green line crosses the blue line to the inside and cross the red line, that is where you're going to find your sell entry. So in this case, our market is trending to the upside. So our signals are only buys, all right? So guys, this is all it is, this trading strategy. To set up these indicators here, you can check on my YouTube channel and you are going to find a video where I'm going to explain on how to set these indicators. So this trading strategy, guys, is very simple. So in case you're interested in joining the free community where I post daily setups, signals, you can check in the video description, and here is our community. All right, look at what is happening in our community. Look at that. So this is our community. Look, so I sent a signal. So don't worry, the tip is once you come in the community, all these people in the community, they know already how to set their TPs. I've already explained on how to trade using my signals. Look at that. Look at the profits, guys. Look at that. So you can join the community. Look, all the TPs you are hit. Look at that. All these guys are free signals. So join the community. Look, I posted buy at this point. Look at that. 7 pips already running. Look at that. And here is another signal. Look at that. Look at the profits. So I'm not a kind of a trader who just post videos on the theoretical part. I am real time in trading. So you can join the community and trade with me. Look at that. Look at this signal which I posted right there, and look at the profit, guys. So what are you still waiting for? If you're a beginner, you can still come in. I'm going to teach you how to make money in forex trading. I'm here, guys, to help you. I'm not interested in the subscriptions where I charge people. I'm here to just empower somebody who is serious to be empowered in the forex industry. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. So check in the video description and join the WhatsApp group as well for the signals.